6 months ago, I was spending 4 hours editing every 2,000-word article. Now I spend 40 minutes. And I went from 3 recurring clients to 9 in 6 weeks, because I can turn work around the same day. Not by hiring an editor. By building a 5-tool AI stack that catches what I miss, tightens what I overwrite, and formats everything while I sleep. I'm breaking down the exact stack today. If your editing process is still draft in a doc, run it through Grammarly. Call it done. That workflow is dead weight. I'm not guessing about this. It's the exact shift that took me from 3 recurring clients to 9 in 6 weeks. Because turnaround time is what clients actually pay for. The writers actually doubling their income aren't using one smarter tool. They're running a pipeline. 5 layers, each doing one job, each catching what the layer before it missed. That's what I want to show you. Layer by layer, starting with the one almost nobody does right. Layer 1 happens before you write a single sentence. Open Claude or ChatGPT and give it this. Here's my topic, here's my audience, here's my angle. Give me a 5-point outline with the strongest hook for point 1 and the weakest point flagged. That last part matters, asking it to flag the weak point. That's the difference between a tool that just generates and one that actually edits your thinking. I skip this step maybe once a month, and every single time, the draft takes twice as long to fix later. This is the layer that actually saves the 4 hours. After your draft is done, paste it back in with this prompt. Line edit this for rhythm and clarity. Cut any sentence that could be shorter. Flag any phrase that sounds like it was written by AI. That third instruction is the trick. It's a self-check most people never think to ask for, and it's what keeps your writing from reading generic. Run this pass twice, not once. The second pass is where the real tightening happens. That 2-pass habit alone is worth more than any single tool on this list. Here's where most freelancers get burned. Publishing an AI-assisted draft with a confidently wrong stat in it. Before anything ships, I run every factual claim through Perplexity, because it cites live sources instead of guessing. One wrong number in a client deliverable costs you the account. One caught error costs you 90 seconds. This single layer is the reason clients trust me with bigger, faster turnaround work, because I've never handed them something I couldn't back up. Here's where 2026 actually gets interesting. A freelance writer I coach chained her outline and line edit prompts into one saved Claude project last month. Instead of pasting each prompt in one at a time, she runs both passes back to back, then still drops the draft into Perplexity for the 90-second fact check before it ships. Her turnaround on a 2,000-word piece dropped from 90 minutes to 25. That's the shift. Real advantage doesn't come from one clever prompt. It comes from owning the whole stack end to end. For you, that means chaining your outline and edit prompts into one saved sequence, then running fact check as the fast final pass, instead of reinventing your process each time. That's what actually scales your output, not typing faster. The final layer is presentation, because a great article with no visual polish still looks unfinished to a client. Platforms like Canva, with its AI-powered magic design tools, let you spin up a clean header graphic or short video teaser for the piece in under 5 minutes. No design skills, no extra freelancer to pay. Deliver the article and a ready-to-post graphic, and you stop looking like a writer for hire. You start looking like a full content partner. That's what clients pay premium rates for. None of these 5 layers is impressive on its own. But stacked together, they turn a 4-hour article into a 40-minute one, without losing quality, because each layer is catching a different kind of mistake. Faster turnaround means more clients. More clients at the same hourly value means your income doubles without you working more hours. That's the whole math. It's not about writing faster. It's about building a system that edits itself. That's the full stack. Outline, line edit, fact check, automate, polish. Next video, I'm showing you how to chain that outline and edit pipeline into one saved Claude project, plus the 90-second fact check pass that keeps it accurate. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And hit like and save this one, because you'll want to come back to these 5 prompts the next time you're staring at a blank page. See you in the next one.